Have you ever been told that lifting weights will make you bulky, or that you need to do cardio every day to lose weight? Well, you're not alone. There are so many myths about health and fitness out there, and today we're busting the most common ones that might be holding you back from your true potential. Believing these health and fitness misconceptions can not only slow down your progress, but may even cause harm in the long run. That's why it's important to separate fact from fiction. Whether it's about exercise, nutrition, or general health, we're going to dive deep into the biggest myths that so many people still believe. In this video, I'll reveal the top 10 most inaccurate health or fitness views that are commonly held and explain what the science really says. Stay tuned to the end, because I'll be sharing my number one myth that almost everyone believes, and it might just change the way you think about fitness forever. 1. Lifting weights makes you bulky. One of the most common misconceptions, especially among women, is that lifting weights will make you bulky and give you a bodybuilder-like appearance. This is far from the truth. Fact: lifting weights is one of the best ways to burn fat, build lean muscle, and boost your metabolism. Muscle tissue is metabolically active, meaning the more muscle you have, the more calories you burn even when you're resting. Why it's a myth: getting bulky like a bodybuilder requires years of dedicated training, strict diet, and often hormone manipulation. For the average person, lifting weights a few times a week will result in a lean, toned physique, not a bulky one. What you should do instead: incorporate strength training into your routine to build muscle, improve bone density, and increase your overall fitness. Lifting weights 2 to 3 times a week is ideal for toning and staying strong without the fear of getting too big. 2. You need to do cardio every day to lose weight. Another major fitness myth is the belief that you need to do hours of cardio every day to lose weight. While cardio is important for heart health, it's not the magic solution to fat loss. Fact: weight loss comes down to a simple principle: calories in versus calories out. While cardio helps burn calories, it's not the only or even the best way to shed fat. Over-relying on cardio can even lead to muscle loss if not paired with strength training and proper nutrition. Why it's a myth: people often associate cardio with quick calorie burning, but in reality, strength training plays a bigger role in long-term fat loss. When you build muscle, you increase your resting metabolic rate, meaning you burn more calories throughout the day, even when you're not working out. What you should do instead: rather than focusing only on cardio, aim for a balance of strength training, high-intensity interval training, HIIT, and moderate cardio for optimal fat loss. 3 to 4 sessions of mixed exercise types each week is more than enough to see results. Third spot: reduction, targeting fat loss in one area. How many times have you heard someone say they want to lose belly fat or slim down their thighs by focusing on exercises for those areas? Spot reduction is one of the most stubborn myths in the fitness world. Fact: you can't choose where your body loses fat. When you lose fat, it happens throughout your body based on genetics and overall body composition. Why it's a myth: people believe that doing hundreds of crunches will lead to a flat stomach, or that squats will reduce thigh fat. While those exercises can build muscle in specific areas, they won't melt the fat off of those targeted spots. What you should do instead: to lose fat overall, focus on a combination of strength training, cardio, and maintaining a calorie deficit. This approach will help you lose fat from all over your body, including those stubborn areas. 4. Low-fat or fat-free foods are healthier. For decades, we were told that fat is the enemy, and the shelves are still packed with low-fat and fat-free options. But are these really healthier? Fact: fat is essential for your body's function, including hormone production, brain health, and nutrient absorption. The issue is not dietary fat itself, but the types of fats and the quality of your overall diet. Why it's a myth: when food manufacturers remove fat from products, they often add sugar and other chemicals to make the food taste better, which can lead to overconsumption and weight gain. What you should do instead: choose whole, unprocessed foods and focus on including healthy fats in your diet, like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. These fats are nutrient-dense and will keep you fuller for longer. 5. Carbs are the enemy. Low-carb diets are all the rage. and many people think that cutting out carbs completely is the key to losing weight. But is this really the best approach? Fact: carbohydrates are the body's primary source of energy, especially during exercise. Eliminating carbs can lead to fatigue, lack of focus, and poor workout performance. Not all carbs are created equal. It's the type of carb that matters. Why it's a myth. Highly processed carbs like sugary snacks and white bread can lead to blood sugar spikes and weight gain. However, whole grains, fruits, and vegetables provide the fiber, vitamins, and minerals your body needs. What you should do instead. Focus on eating complex carbohydrates like oats, quinoa, sweet potatoes, and vegetables. These provide sustained energy, support digestion, and can even aid in weight loss by keeping you full longer. 6. More exercise equals more results. It's easy to think that the more you work out, the faster you'll see results. But over-exercising can actually do more harm than good. Fact: rest and recovery are just as important as exercise. When you work out, you're breaking down muscle fibers, and it's during rest that those fibers repair and grow stronger. Why it's a myth. Pushing yourself too hard can lead to burnout, injury, and even muscle loss. Without proper recovery, your body doesn't have time to adapt to the stress of exercise, which can stall your progress. What you should do instead. Give your body time to recover by incorporating rest days into your routine. Aim for 2 to 3 rest days a week and focus on stretching, foam rolling, or light activities like walking on those days to aid recovery. 7. Detoxes and cleanses will reset. Your body detox teas, juice cleanses, and other quick fixes are all over social media. But do they really work? Fact: your body is already equipped to detox itself. Your liver, kidneys, and digestive system work together to filter and eliminate toxins from your body. There's no need for special diets or products to cleanse your system. Why it's a myth. These detoxes and cleanses are often extremely restrictive and can lead to nutrient deficiencies, dehydration, and loss of muscle mass. What you should do instead. Focus on eating a balanced whole food diet with plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Staying hydrated and getting enough fiber will naturally support your body's detoxification processes. 8. You can out-exercise a bad diet. Many people think they can eat whatever they want as long as they work it off in the gym. Unfortunately, that's not how it works. Fact: you cannot out-exercise a poor diet. Your nutrition plays a much larger role in weight management and overall health than exercise alone. Why it's a myth. A single workout may burn 300 to 500 calories, but it's easy to consume far more than that with one high-calorie meal. Without a balanced, nutrient-rich diet, even the best exercise routine won't lead to the results you want. What you should do. Instead, pair your workouts with a balanced diet full of whole foods, lean proteins, and healthy fats. This combination is key to achieving sustainable weight loss and maintaining your health. 9. You shouldn't eat after 7 p.m. There's a common belief that eating late at night will automatically lead to weight gain, but the truth is more nuanced. Fact: it's not when you eat that matters most, but what and how much you eat. Weight gain happens when you consume more calories than you burn, regardless of the time of day. Why it's a myth. People associate late-night eating with unhealthy habits, like snacking on chips or ice cream in front of the TV. It's the poor food choices and portion sizes, not the time itself, that cause weight gain. What you should do. Instead, if you're hungry in the evening, opt for a light, balanced snack like Greek yogurt with berries, a handful of nuts, or a boiled egg. Focus on portion control and nutrient-dense foods rather than worrying about the clock. 10. Sweating means you're burning more calories. Many people associate sweating with burning lots of calories, but sweat is not an indicator of calorie burn. Fact: sweating is your body's way of regulating temperature, not a sign of how hard you're working. You can burn a lot of calories without sweating, like when swimming or strength training in a cool environment. Why it's a myth. People often believe that if they're not drenched in sweat, they're not getting a good workout. But the intensity and type of exercise determine your calorie burn, not how much you sweat. What you should do instead: focus on the quality and intensity of your workouts, rather than how much you sweat. Track your progress through strength gains, endurance improvements, or how your body feels over time. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you understand about how your body works, the better equipped you'll be to reach your fitness goals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest health and fitness tips.